Hi, come on in. I'm Gerald, Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney, and today I want to talk to you about an article that appeared in today's newspaper in the New York Post, Sunday, June 26, 2011. And it's an article involving a tragedy that occurred in the Central Park Zoo involving a beautiful couple who were taking their 6-month-old baby girl to the zoo. Now, what nicer thing can you do with your child? Well, the Central Park Zoo is beautiful, but about a year ago, this young couple took their 6-month-old baby girl, and while they're in the process of walking, without any warning, a huge tree limb cracked, collapsed, and landed right on baby and mom. Killed the baby instantly. Mom suffered significant brain injury, and now she has many cognitive problems and she needs assistance with a lot of her daily activities. So why is this significant? Why am I even telling you about this? Because they brought a claim against the City of New York as well as the Central Park Conservancy and the Wildlife Conservation Society. Who's responsible for knowing that this huge tree limb is going to crack and can kill somebody if it lands on you? Well, in order to determine, in order to prove that type of issue, you have to be able to show that either the city or the Central Park Conservancy or the Wildlife Conservation Society knew that this was a dangerous condition or should have known that this was a dangerous condition. Now, how do you know if a tree limb is going to fall? Well, that's why you hire tree experts, and in fact, that's exactly what they had done. The ironic thing is that they're now pointing fingers at each other, pointing blame at each other. Well, that happens often. But the real issue is, did they know that this was about to happen, or should they have known? If this family is able to show that the city knew about it or should have known about it and failed to take steps to correct that, then they're going to be held legally responsible for the injuries that occurred as well as the death of this beautiful baby girl. And that's it for today's video. And by the way, if you found this information helpful, what I want you to do is to press the like button below so that all your friends on Facebook and YouTube get the same information you just saw. And if you have questions, what I want you to do is to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. I do this every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerald Oginski. Thanks for joining me.